Welcome to VueX, y'all! Today, we're going on an adventure to Scotland. When you think of Scotland, images of rolling green hills, majestic castles, and maybe even a Loch Ness monster sighting might come to mind. But we're going off the beaten path to explore some of Scotland's best-kept secrets, the hidden gems that will take your breath away. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your next big adventure, get comfy, grab your travel journal, and get ready to be amazed by the magic of Scotland. Let's do this. First up, we're heading to the Isle of Skye, a place so beautiful it feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Picture this: dramatic cliffs plunging into the sea, waterfalls cascading down rugged mountains, and charming villages nestled in between. Drive across the Skye Bridge. Talk about an entrance. The drive itself is half the fun, with stunning views around every bend. Visit in spring or fall to miss the crowds and have those breathtaking landscapes all to yourself. Don't forget to pack your hiking boots, a waterproof jacket, and a sense of adventure. Next, we're taking a dip into a place called the Fairy Pools. Imagine crystal clear turquoise water cascading down waterfalls and collecting in shimmering pools, all surrounded by the rugged beauty of the Cuillin Mountains. The fairy pools are a bit of a hike to get to, but trust me, it's worth every step. The best way to reach them is from the village of Carbost. From there, it's about a 20-minute drive to the Fairy Pools car park. The cost to park is around £5, but the memories you'll make? Priceless. If you're brave enough to take a dip in the chilly water, pack a swimsuit and a towel. Even if you prefer to admire the beauty from dry land, be sure to bring your camera to capture the magic. Get ready to be blown away by our next stop. Fingal's Cave. Imagine stepping inside a cathedral. But instead of stained glass and stone arches, you're surrounded by towering basalt columns that look like they were carved by giants. The best way to reach Fingal's Cave is by boat tour, which you can catch from nearby Mull or Oban. The tours typically run from April to October and cost around £30 per person. The journey to the cave is an adventure in itself, with stunning views of the Scottish coastline along the way. Once you step inside Fingal's Cave, prepare to be amazed by the acoustics. The way the sound of the waves echoes off the basalt columns is truly mesmerizing. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture the beauty of this natural wonder. Calling all Harry Potter fans, step into the wizarding world in the Scottish Highlands. Visit the iconic Glenfinnan Viaduct. Ride the Jacobite steam train for a magical experience. The views from the train are unforgettable, or admire the viaduct from afar. A viewpoint near the Glenfinnan Visitor Centre offers breathtaking views. Get ready to lace up those hiking boots because we're heading to one of Scotland's most remote and awe-inspiring beaches, Sandwood Bay. This hidden gem is a true testament to Scotland's rugged beauty, with its vast expanse of golden sand, towering dunes, and dramatic cliffs. The nearest road ends at a car park near Blairmore, and from there, it's a 4-mile hike to the beach. But don't let that deter you. The journey is just as spectacular as the destination. As you trek through the rugged landscape, keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. You might spot red deer, seabirds soaring overhead, and even the occasional seal basking on the shore. Pack a picnic, plenty of water, and your camera to capture the raw beauty of this hidden gem. Our next stop takes us deep into Perthshire, where a magical woodland awaits. Get ready to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life at the Hermitage, a place where nature reigns supreme. Imagine towering Douglas fir trees, their branches forming a canopy overhead, while the River Brain rushes through the heart of it all, cascading down waterfalls and carving its way through the ancient landscape. As you wander through this enchanted forest, be sure to keep an eye out for Ossian's Hall, a folly perched atop a rocky crag overlooking the Black Lynn Falls. The views from here are simply breathtaking. The Hermitage is a place where you can truly connect with nature and lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Get ready to be transported back in time to Dunnottar Castle. Perched on a rocky headland, this fortress has witnessed centuries of history. The best way to get here is by car. It's a 30-minute drive south of Aberdeen. Explore the ruins and let your imagination run wild. Climb to the top for breathtaking views of the coastline. And there you have it, folks. 7 of Scotland's hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. From the magical Isle of Skye to the dramatic ruins of Dunnottar Castle, Scotland is a country bursting with beauty and adventure around every corner. If you enjoyed this journey through Scotland's hidden gems, let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like me to uncover the hidden treasures of another country, tell me where I should go next. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your adventure buddies, and subscribe to VueX for more incredible travel experiences. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.